my name is Laurie, and I've lived here in San Diego now since 2006. So I first met Dr. Gohel 3 years ago when she had to do a extraction and an implant on my tooth. And at the time, I know I was very nervous because I knew I had to get the tooth extracted. I was in a lot of pain, and Dr. Gohel, she was fantastic. Her calm demeanor just made me feel at ease. She answered all my questions, very patient. She took as long as I needed to feel comfortable. Dr. Gohel is someone that you'll want to go to for any periodontic needs. She will put your mind at ease. She's very competent, very professional, very calm. She'll answer all your questions. She will get the job done, and you'll be very pleased.